Hey guys, welcome back to the Mountaineers. In the previous videos, we have had a lot about maintaining your personal hygiene, and I have emphasized a lot on making use of naturally available water. No matter how much water we use in the wilderness, it's very important to know that this water is not only available for you, but there could be people venturing out in the wilderness apart from you. And the same water will be used by the first human settlement down the hill. The first requirement of setting up a camp is that you need to be in proximity to water resource, irrespective of its distance, right? So whenever you set up your camp, be it a single tent or multiple tents, you must maintain a respectable distance with water resource. Yes. And whenever you need to go for fetching water for the purpose of cooking, bathing, cleaning, to attend the nature's call, always stay at a respectable distance from the nearest river source, water stream or whatsoever. This is done to keep the water clean. You must remember that this water will be flowing down the hill and there could be other people in need of the same water. So the water must remain hygienic. You must not contribute to polluting the water. So whenever you go for attending your nature's call, one of the best ways is to take your bottle, fill it and do your business somewhere at a respectable distance from the water resource. You must not pollute the surroundings. Second is, whenever you need water to wash your clothes, for example, again maintain the respectable distance. Do not add too much of detergent, soap into the water resource so that it flows down and contaminates water drastically. So the same applies when you are taking bath. Another important aspect is dumping of your garbage and your leftovers. Do not dump it close to the water. Have a separate pit where you can collect them. We will have a separate video where we will be talking about how to maintain the garbage in the wilderness, high altitude, and how to go about it in order to recycle the same. So ladies and gentlemen, these were the few things that I wanted to discuss with you with respect to avoiding polluting the water resources available in the wilderness. Thank you.